3 days, just 72 hours. Can the future of more than 15 lakh Goans really be debated in just 3 working days? Can a 30,194 crore rupees budget be scrutinized, public money questioned, and people's voices heard in just one long weekend? Hello, hi, salam, or namaste. Welcome to MQM 24/7. I am your host, Misbah. Goa's monsoon assembly session has been scheduled for just 3 working days, beginning 31st August 2026. This has reignited an important question about legislative accountability. Earlier this year, the budget session was originally scheduled from 6th March to 27th March 2026, spanning nearly 3 weeks. However, it was cut short by 7 working days, with the official reason being the proposed Ponda Municipal Council elections. But those elections never even took place. Despite the shortened session, the Assembly managed to pass a 30,194 crore rupees budget that every Goan through public services, infrastructure, healthcare, education, welfare and development needs access to. Now comes the monsoon session. Just 3 days to discuss issues that affect every household across the state of Goa. Unemployment, mining, livelihoods, electricity reforms, power supply, water shortages, farmers' distress, rising cost of living, traffic congestion, healthcare, land conversion, 39A, education, housing, waste management, environmental protection, tourism, infrastructure. Every one of these issues deserve detailed questioning, debate, and accountability. The Assembly is not merely a place to pass bills. The Assembly is the highest democratic forum in the state where elected representatives question the government, demand answers, expose shortcomings, and place the concerns of citizens on official record. A healthy democracy is measured not only by elections but also by how much time is devoted to debating public issues. When legislative time becomes shorter, public scrutiny also becomes shorter, and that affects every citizen regardless of political beliefs. So today, this is not about one party or another. This is about governance. This is about transparency. This is about accountability. If Goa can spend over 30,000 crores of public money in one financial year, shouldn't the people's representatives have more than just 3 days to examine how that money will be used? And if the future of over 15 lakh Goans deserves serious debate, is 3 working days really enough? Or does Goa deserve a full assembly session where every unanswered question finally gets the time it truly deserves? Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay tuned into MQM 24/7 as we continue to track this developing story. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.